Hi, my name is Wes Gary. I'm going to teach you the proper way to disinfect a surface. A lot of people use bleach to disinfect surfaces, but what they don't know is that bleach is inactivated by most surface soils. You actually, when you use bleach properly, you're actually supposed to clean the surface first and then apply your bleach solution. So it's 2 steps. Momar makes disinfectants that are designed to clean and disinfect in just 1 simple step. The 2 I'm going to focus on today are our Neutra-Dis, which is a concentrated product designed to be diluted 1 ounce per gallon, and our Ready-Set-Go, which is a ready-to-use product. It's ready to go. When you're preparing your solution of Neutra-Dis, you can use a 1/4 ounce pump. This pump dispenses exactly 1/4 of an ounce every time you pump it. That allows you to put exactly 1/4 of an ounce into a quart bottle, top it off with water, and you have a 1:128 solution. I've already prepared a used solution of Neutra-Dis in this quart bottle. We produce used solution bottles for our customers that are already labeled with a Neutra-Dis used solution label that has all the information about how to use the product. Also has all the safety information, proper PPE. This is a bottle that's OSHA compliant. It comes with a color-coded trigger sprayer as well that matches the color code of the concentrated product. So, and this is our Ready-Set-Go, which is already ready to use. Regardless of which solution we use for disinfection, what we're aiming for is complete coverage of the surface. When we apply the product to the surface, we can move it around. We can make it more consistent using a cloth. And then once it's on the surface and the surface is visibly wet, we want to just let it air dry. You don't want to come back with a dry cloth and wipe it dry. You want to let it air dry. 10 minutes later, that surface is disinfected. Even if it's visibly dry within 5 or 6 minutes, it's still going to disinfect that surface. The active ingredient is non-volatile. It's going to stay on that surface and do the job. So let me grab a rag, and then I'm going to show you how to spray and disinfect the surface. All right, now we're ready with our disinfectant. I'm wearing my proper PPE, safety glasses and gloves. We got our cloth. If you use a cloth, go ahead and just dampen the cloth with your disinfectant, and then liberally spray your surface. And you can use your cloth to work the product into the surface. And there you go, you just let it air dry. If it's a food contact surface, then after it's sat for 10 minutes, you can come back and rinse this surface with potable water. Telephones. Copy machines. Doorknobs. And kitchen sink handles.